Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Lucas Transmission Fix Stop Slip. So as you can see, I have two because I used it in two cars. I had a success in the first car. The cars in question are Ford Escape and Nissan Sentra. So this first one that we bought it for the Ford Escape because they had hard shifting, and we put it in there, half a bottle, and it fixed the problem. It completely fixed the problem. So that was good. So we got encouraged by that success, and we bought a second bottle for the Nissan Sentra. I put it in there, and it did improve the shifting. It did not fix the shifting, the hard shifting, but it did improve it a lot. So it's no longer a bang, but rather a shush, a gradual hard shift, but gradual. It's not a bang like it used to be. And the Nissan Sentra also had a little bit of a slip from second or third gear, and that did not go away. So on the first car, on the Escape, there was no slipping, but there was hard shifting, which got completely fixed by it. But on the second car, the Nissan Sentra, the hard shifting improved a lot, so it's not shifting so hard anymore, but the slipping is still there, and it didn't seem to do anything about that. Overall, can I recommend this Lucas transmission fix? The answer is yes, because I did have a very good success in one car, completely eliminated the hard shifting. The Ford Escape had a lot of hard shifting on all gears, and it did fix that. It did not have any slipping, so I can't say anything about that. But on my Nissan Sentra, it did have both hard shifting on first to second, and it did have a slip on second and third. And it massively improved the shifting. Like I said, and it's now more of a whoosh than a bang. But it did nothing for the slipping. But that's the information. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.